Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsea J here. Today we're going to be doing a drugstore makeup glam. So if you want to see how I achieve this look right here, okay, period, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we do more so beauty content, and we're also going to be incorporating a little bit of lifestyle. So if you want to see what's going on with us, or if you just want to be here for the makeup tutorials, then make sure that you subscribe, set your notifications so that you won't miss another Slay with your girl Chelsea J. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I've been doing my brows a different way lately, and I've been liking that. So I think I'm going to do my brows like later on in the foundation routine. But to start, I'm going to be taking the Milk. This is their vegan moisturizer, and it's so bomb. So to start, I'm just going to apply this to my face. I like to do this even before I use any type of primer on my face because it just helps your face lay flawless. Next, to moisturize just a little bit more, I'm gonna take the Milk. I'm gonna take the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is supposed to be just for like when you go on to bed, I think, but I like to use it whenever I feel like my lips are a little bit dry. You guys know I have been loving the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is what I'm gonna be using today as a primer for my foundation. I don't have like a favorite drugstore primer just yet, but I'm gonna try some things out, and maybe I can give you guys a full drugstore makeup tutorial. Maybe that'll be something that you guys would like to see as well. But I'm just gonna take this and apply my primer so that we can get a nice base. Today I'm also going to be using the Laura Mercier. This is their Pure Canvas Primer. It's a blurring primer, and I tried this out the last time I did my makeup and I really liked it. I only applied it in like my, I guess you can say, T-zone areas, or like right in here, because that's where of course your pores are just hanging out. So I like to use this as like a pore filler, and it's really tacky too, so it goes well with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I know some primers don't mix well. You can tell if they don't. If they bead up on your skin, that means that they are not compatible, sis. They do not need to go together, and that will make your foundation be less smooth too if you do that. I'm gonna take the Hangover 3-in-1. This is their Replenishing Primer Spray. Hopefully you guys can see this. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face just to lock in what the work that we just did. I want this base to be together, so I'm going to make sure that I set everything in before applying my foundation. So I'm just going to spray this Hangover spray all over before we get started. I'm going to go in with the Matte Poreless Foundation. This is in the shade 335. This is by Maybelline. I really do recommend Maybelline's foundations. You don't have to get the matte one. If you're more on the dry side, you don't have to get the matte skin. They also have like, I think, like a luminous foundation as well. So this is what I'm going to be using today. This is in the shade 335. A good drugstore foundation if you're looking for something that's affordable but still going to get you that look. Try that out, sis, because you won't regret it. So I'm going to take that foundation and just go ahead and apply it now. This one is a little bit darker than I would necessarily need, so that's why I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer just to bring everything together. If you ever have a problem with your foundations being a little bit too dark, I would rather them be too dark than too light. If they're too light, sis, then because it's going to be looking so crazy once you apply your concealer, because your concealer is going to be lighter. This is a lot dark, and I'm also going to mix it with a lighter foundation just because we don't want it to be too dark, you know. It's okay if you're looking crazy right now. I also want to try a TikTok challenge, y'all. I seen this girl on Instagram. She used foundation, and then she also applied, just like put in a little bit of setting powder in the foundation, and it made her foundation like super not super, but really full coverage. And I was like, girl, I've never thought about that, so I may try that. So I'm just going to take this Sigma Flat Kabuki brush to blend everything out. It is clean. I just literally just put this on. But yeah, so I'm just going to blend everything out. Okay guys, so next we're going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Double Wear Concealer. This is in the shade Tan Sand. And I'm just going to apply this first, and then I'm going to apply like a lighter shade on top just so that we can get that extra highlighted effect. I also meant to mention, we're back in my original setup. I'm also going to go on top with the Maybelline matte. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20. I'm going to go in on top of this shade because I do want it to be brighter. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit. Then I'm going to let everything dry down so we can get like a flawless base. Okay guys, so now that everything has dried down, I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. You can get this from Target. This would be your best friend if you're looking for a beauty sponge on a budget. This is your girl. So I'm just going to blend everything out, and yeah. So now that we have everything highlighted, I know it's still looking crazy, but stay with me, sis, okay? I'm going to go in and do my brows. I'm going to take the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow. I'm also going to use some brow powder to fill in the inside of my brows. So I may put this part in the tutorial, but if I don't, just follow me, girl, okay? Follow me. I'm going to contour my nose, and then I'm going to move into the sides of my face and contour that, and we're going to get the face snatched, okay? Because that's just what we do. So I'm going to go ahead and contour the sides of my nose. I'm just taking the Anastasia Walnut contour stick, and I'm blending it up towards my brow. Y'all already know the deal. If you've been watching me, you already know what we do. And keep in mind that if your contour on your nose starts to look a little funny, you can always just go around it with that beauty sponge. Just use that product that you had and just blend around. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the face. I'm going to use I think I'm going to do the Laura Mercier powder. What do y'all think? Laura Mercier or Huda Beauty? I love the Laura Mercier powder, like the new one, the honey translucent, but I'm still a Huda Beauty girl, okay? I love it. To set it, first off, I'm going to take my little powder puff. This is from the beauty supply store. So now that we set the face, it's looking a little bit crazy. Going in with my all-time favorite bronzer. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Bronzer. Black Radiance girl, if you're watching this, don't be shy, okay? Your girl would love to do a sponsored post for you all. Just saying, okay? And the brush I'm using is a Ruby Kisses brush. This brush, you guys know, I love this brush. This brush is so fire. Like, you are asleep if you have not tried it. It's so good. It's by Morphe. This is the Big Shot powder. This is the bronzing powder. I'm going to use this on my lid to just add some color. I'm mixing the two, so I'm using the Black Radiance contour powder as well. So I'm just gonna go in with this Anastasia Eye Primer. You guys know this is my favorite. This is the mini one though. So the bigger one, it lasts for a very long time. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that primer onto the lid. I promise this is going to be the last time I'm going to use this Anastasia Soft Glam palette. But so I'm going to take this the shade Cream Soda, because that's been my thing lately. I've been liking that shade, so I'm just going to pat that in onto the lid. So next I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade. You can use whatever dark brown shade that you have. This is from the ColourPop palette. I hate to use different palettes, but hey, sometimes you have to get the look. So I took that dark brown shade and I'm smoking it a little bit. Okay guys, so to wrap up the look, I'm gonna apply my blush. This is the Becca Blush with Light palette. This palette is super old. I'm not even sure if they still sell it in the store. I am gonna add just a little bit of eyeliner on my waterline because who am I without eyeliner on the waterline? Next, we're gonna apply our lashes. I'm probably gonna do that part off camera. Then we're gonna come back and wrap up the look. Guys, so we have the lashes on. Stay on the lookout for that because it's coming very soon. My little puppy is giving me the blues right now, okay? Because he likes to run around. He likes to bite on stuff while I'm filming. And yeah, so everybody meet Milo. I'm not sure if you guys have seen him before, but this is little Milo, and yeah, he just decided to jump in my lap while I'm filming. So let's go ahead and get into the lip portion. The lip pencil that I'm going to be using today is the ColourPop BFF3 lip pencil. This is my favorite go-to pencil to use whenever I am slaying my lips, okay? I'm going to take the Milani Soft Rose lip gloss. This is in the shade 08. And I'm going to use this to add some gloss to the lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm going to go change really quick and then we're going to pop in and close out the video. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this super easy drugstore foundation makeup tutorial. It was super easy, okay, and bomb and affordable. Like, who doesn't want affordable makeup? If you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Meet me in the comment section, sis, because that's where I'll be at. Okay, we're gonna be talking in the comment section, so make sure that you meet me there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Set your notifications too so that you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsea J. Everything will be in the description box. And if you're interested in these lashes, make sure that you follow me at SHOPCHELSIEJAYY because you'll be getting updates on when we'll be launching. So from me and little Milo, we will see you in our next video. Bye y'all.